Hi, this is Video Mommy and here's pre-editing tip number 2. Assuming that you have organized your files as I suggested in pre-editing tip 1, the next thing that you should do is rename your files using names that would best represent them. By doing this, it would be easier for you to find files while you're editing. Of course, you can keep the original file names of the files and just rename them inside Premiere. I particularly just rename all of them early on. So much time is wasted when editors have to scroll up and down the project window and watch clips in the preview monitor just to find the right file. If you have several shots of the same thing, then you can put numbers at the end of the file names. For instance, we can make this Red Rose 1 and this one Red Rose 2. If let's say the shot sizes are different, we can put the shot sizes at the end instead. For example, we can rename this as Dog ECU and this as Dog MS. Anyway, that's it for pre-editing tip number 2. If you want to learn more, check out my next video. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe.